3 minutes ago, NASA released images that should never have existed. The source, 3I/Atlas. But the reflection, wasn't its own.
James Webb had turned its gaze where light itself hesitated.
Not dust, not flare, geometry.
Light reflecting back where no mirror exists.
Embedded patterns, repeating like memory.
An object that glowed without reflection.
Around the traveler Slitan, a crown of light.
The transmission lasted less than 1 second.
It wasn't debris. It was symmetry.
The structure had design.
Whatever it was, it moved against gravity.
It wasn't reflecting ding, it was transmitting.
The same voice every star understands.
It matched exactly.
Behind 3I/Atlas, another light moved.
A ripple across space, ceiling, too perfect to be random. It had been seen before.
In that gap, the anomaly vanished.
Something left its mark.
Every pixel held more detail than a telescope could explain.
Mathematics hidden inside chaos.
The galaxy itself echoed the form.
Movement where stillness should be.
A point of origin or arrival.
No one in the room dared to define it.
Oh, have I?
The image isn't reflection, it's response.
The light was speaking back.
Vibration frozen into brightness.
The numbers aligned perfectly, light bending to rhythm.
Cold, in the middle of nothing.
The light returned, as if to confirm.
The universe reflecting the eye that observed it.
From mirror to portal.
Energy with purpose, circling an unseen core.
Everything rests within the light.
Design inside the unknown. And then it blinked.
Nothing remained but the afterimage.
The telescope saw something move after the end.
It wasn't a reflection. It was alive.
Each frame revealed more movement than the one before.
It shifted, like light, learning to breathe.
Not random. Etched. Designed. The reflection knew its observer.
No signal was sent, but something replied.
Information, but not from us. But not from us.
Rhythm, sacred in sound, perfect in measure.
Two sources, one synchronization.
Connection confirmed between 3I/Atlas and the unknown object. Light was no longer reflection. It was structure. The laws of space rippled like water.
The signal intensified, as if calling.
And then, the connection fell quiet. But its echo remained, engraved in space.
Particles returned to their origin, as if dismissed.
Chaos in perfect order.
Even the machine could not categorize what it saw.
In the silence, a pulse still lived.
Something larger, moving in shadow.
The universe blinked, and the image ended.
For the first time in hours, the signal was gone.
But the light still lived inside their screens.
Something was still transmitting.
Life in frequency form.
We had heard it before, long before 3I/Atlas existed. An echo traveling through generations of machines.
Geometry as language. Light as intention. A map or a memory.
And its direction was unmistakable.
The response had arrived. The response had arrived.
It was no longer between worlds. It was approaching.
The architecture of awareness.
Our world answered in silence.
Observation complete.
For the first time, we spoke back.
And it listened.
And then, like thought, it was gone.
Only the memory of the signal remained. Every instrument carries what it once witnessed.